Hey guys, today we're going to explain what Zenon Network is by briefly touching on multiple topics. If this video sparks your curiosity, be sure to watch to the end where there's links given for those wanting to learn more. This video is not financial advice and may contain speculation. What is Zenon Network? Zenon Network is a layer 1 crypto. That means it's a self-sovereign network that is its own thing. It's not built on something else or derived from another ecosystem. It has a unique approach to solving the blockchain trilemma and becoming a world leader in apps and NFTs. How might it achieve this? Well, Zenon does a number of things differently to Ethereum. While Ethereum suffers from high fees, Zenon is a feeless network thanks to a novel anti-spam mechanism. While Ethereum suffers from poor scalability, Zenon is designed with next-generation technology that maximizes scalability. Ethereum has only a single ledger with one coin ETH, while Zenon innovates by having a dual ledger with two coins. The first is Zenon ZNN, required for nodes and for governance. The second is Quasar QSR, required for nodes and for transaction throughput. While Ethereum is a centralized entity, Zenon adheres to the Bitcoin ethos and has a truly decentralized foundation. What is its use case? It provides an ideal platform to build on. Because Zenon Network is feeless, secure, scalable, and decentralized, the apps and NFTs built on Zenon will inherit these properties too. But its main selling point is that it's looking to leverage the Taproot upgrade for Bitcoin to bring about interoperability with native Bitcoin, or as close as you can get. That will pave the way to deliver the world DeFi with Bitcoin, and I know that's a big statement to make, especially because Bitcoin maxis will never wrap their Bitcoin. Very briefly, Zenon's interoperability is different to wrapping your Bitcoin, arguably avoiding all of the pitfalls of doing so. And even if you did wrap your Bitcoin on Zenon, you'd be wrapping it on a layer on which is truly decentralized anyway. Is it decentralized? Zenon is truly decentralized because of its unique launch and early history. Their strategy ensured that those with the greatest capital and greatest coordination would be the latest to the party, mitigating their vector in the direction of centralization. There were no VCs or insider allocations. Zenon was launched as a public bond open to all based on a Bitcoin forum post. People sent Bitcoin to an address and were algorithmically funded ZNN. What followed was 3 years of grassroots marketing and organic growth where Zenon was available to buy and sell on multiple exchanges, but actually this was just a placeholder token. The actual real ZNN was distributed at a ratio of 1-for-1 in November of 2021. The 3 years prior was the de facto pre-sale. What is the tech? Non-technical people may want to skip this section and return to it later. Blockchains often have issues with scalability unless they compromise on either security or decentralization. Theoretically, maximal scalability must be from a network that is asynchronous with sharding parallel processing. Zenon combines two ledgers into a system called the Network of Momentum. The first ledger is a block lattice which stores settled transactions and is asynchronous, therefore scalable, and is also resistant to quantum computer attacks, making it future-proof. The second ledger is a DAG called the MetaDAG. This is for the consensus I. It contains transactions required by the virtual voting algorithm. The dual ledger allows for faster times and solves for the storage problem which plagues DLT generally, but the devil is in the details. The consensus design is crucial. The novel design utilizes two types of nodes. In Zenon nomenclature, they are sentinels and pillars. Together they create a BFT consensus algorithm which is leaderless and a hybrid of proof of work and proof of stake. Granted, sentinels with their proof of work links are still to be implemented this year. There is also discussion of unikernels for smart contracts. Unikernels only run the process designed to run it, and their single address space model allows them to run at high speeds. Who is the team? Zenon's core developers are anonymous, which protects them from legal and regulatory issues. They created the Accelerator Z program, which incentivizes worldwide open participation in the ecosystem where those who add value will be rewarded. This reliance on the community to build and deliver also allows Zenon to avoid being classed as a security in America by the Howey test. They are in the process of pulling a Satoshi and vanishing as they pass the torch fully to the community to run the project. There exists speculation that OG Bitcoiners were behind its inception. Many community-made articles touch on this and provide further reasoning. There are also rumors that the anonymous founders left a trail of hints as to their identity or funding source. This would constitute a rare example of steganography, and some community members believe that the hints are a modern-day performance art masterpiece. The good thing about having anonymous founders is that we don't have embarrassing motherfuckers like these two clowns. How to buy? First of all, download the official Sirius wallet from the official website. Either let it sync instantly by using a public node, or run it for 3 days to sync your own embedded node. Currently, buy or sell from Stex Exchange. Soon there will be a DEX solution allowing the exchange of ETH, BNB, and BTC to ZNN and QSR. Where to learn more? Check out the links below to find community-made articles, documents, podcasts, educational resources, and to just chat and connect with other ZNN aliens. Please help the cause by sharing this video to friends and retweeting it. Take care, and we are all gonna make it. Zyla.